So what is spalding? What do I mean by what is spalding of concrete, and why is it important that we put a sealer down so it keeps the spalding from happening? And so what happens is that first off, concrete is like a huge sponge, right? And so it will take in every bit of water that we got. And if we don't put a sealer on it, it just sucks all that water in there. And then when it starts freezing, what happens is it starts freezing, and then it can cause spalding. So if we look right here, you can see this big chunk of concrete that has came out here, and there's one over here and this here, and that is what happens when we don't seal the concrete. So this is why it is very important that we put a sealer on our concrete, because it will make it last longer. It will make our concrete look a lot better 10, 20 years down the road. Otherwise, we're at like this house and we're at about 15 years and we have a driveway, because this driveway has never been sealed. So we have a driveway of a lot of spalding, of the concrete popping up. And this is the important part of why we want to put a nice sealer down. Again, we're going to be putting a sealer down today. We're going to be using a pump up sprayer, and we'll be showing different videos on how you can do this also.